Are you searching for the best benchtop multimeter? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best benchtop multimeter in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, OWON 4.5XDM 1041 Benchtop Digital Multimeter. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2. New VC8145 Digital Benchtop Multimeter. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3. ZOYI ZT5566 SE Bench Voice Multimeter. ZOYI ZT5566 SE Bench Voice Multimeter Bluetooth Tester 19999 counts professional digital true RMS auto range transistor tool meter. This product is an automatic range multifunction digital multimeter with 19,999 word high precision display. The meter is driven by a lithium battery, with true RMS measurement, LCD display, adjustable backlight brightness, clear reading, clock, alarm clock, Bluetooth audio, ambient temperature display.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. UNI-T Benchtop Digital Multimeter Tester. UNI-T Benchtop Digital Multimeter Tester AC/DC voltage current meter capacitance ohm meter frequency temperature meter UT801-804, UT801 UT802 UT803 bench type digital multimeter, equipped with full function display, full range overload protection, and unique exterior. It is used for measurements from smelting, electronics, telecommunications, manufacturing, petroleum, national defense, electric power, chemical industries, and it is a necessary experimental tool for laboratories in colleges and universities. UT804 is a 39,999 count auto range, true RMS, bench type digital multimeter, equipped with full function and analog E-bar graph display. Full range overload protection, battery and electricity power supply, RS-232 and USB interfaces, $99.99 data storage and recall. It ISIST for measurements from smelting, electronics, telecommunications, manufacturing, petroleum, national defense, electric power, chemical industries, and it is a necessary experimental tool for laboratories in colleges and universities. 1. 40,000 count auto range / TRMS2. Analog bar display 3. Overload protection 4. Battery and cord dual power supply 5. RS-232 and USB interfaces 6. 9,999 data storage. Number 5. OWON XDM 1241 Digital Multimeter. This digital multimeter 4.5 true RMS portable bench built-in battery multimetro tester meter DC/AC current voltmeter.